Oh my gosh, we're going to church. I'm not gonna really give details, but I'll see you guys when I'm ready. Okay guys, so I'm ready. I wanted to tell you guys that Mia is not going to be posting that many vlogs because her phone won't let her post them. So she'll be posting a few, but not that many. So I just wanted to say, so I'll see you guys after church. Hey guys, so we just got back from church and we are going to the beach to go snorkeling and swim at the beach. So I'll see you guys at the beach or in the car. And also my dad has a GoPro, so I'll try to get some footage from the GoPro so I can show you guys what it looks like. So, okay, so we're at the beach. I'm not going to bring my phone because I don't want my phone to get wet, but here's the GoPro. So we left the beach. I'm using this hat to hide my hair because my hair is really bad. So now we're going to another beach. So I'll see you at the next beach. Okay guys, so we just got here. And here's the sand. It's like gray sand again. And here's the beach. That's cool. That's a cute selfie or something. Okay, so I'm walking here. We're going, this beach isn't that busy. I'm not going to show actually because some people don't want their faces on camera. But I will vlog here because there's not that many people. Okay, so I buried myself in sand. So, yeah.
Amen. Amen.
And so now I'm going to take it off. Okay.
It's like black sand.
See you guys. Oh wait, and I hope you enjoyed the montage.